Ladies and gentlemen, here is your view on the Goliath area on Saturday, May 24th, 2014. So let's start by going over here where they have some fencing over here. Not sure what that was for, but definitely interesting nonetheless. Moving over here, the dive loop is pretty much complete now. They've added some finishing touches from the looks of it. Then coming over here, over to the front of the station. Nothing really new over at the station, except over here you can see that the sign has been fenced off now. You can see they've started working on the queue line, so you're going to enter over there. And just like the last video, the train's still up there. Over here they kind of like seal off the transfer track a little bit. Station looks pretty much complete, and we can see that they've almost finished the track work. Just have a little bit more to go. Let's go over here where they've painted this fence, which was the old Deja Vu, or a bunch of Deja Vu, and looks like they're pretty much almost done with Thrillseekers. The Goliath logo is right here. Then they have hats. Here's the sign, Thrillseekers. Another Goliath logo. Wonder if it's open. Probably not. Goliath souvenirs and stuff like that. Goliath on the side. Goliath souvenirs, sunglasses, candy, hats. Thrillseekers right here. And then here's the exit where you'll go into Goliath, and here's the queue line as it will work. The queue block. Making a trip over here, you can see that the stall has pretty much been tracked. They just need to fill it with grout from the looks of it. And crews are working to get it done. Hopefully it can be done in time for them to test maybe tomorrow if it gets grouted. I'm not entirely sure. But if not tomorrow, maybe by Monday at the latest. I'm hoping for Goliath. And Goliath is almost here, and we'll be here Media Day, May 29th. Awesome.